Buy Kenmore Intuition BU4022 Upright Vacuum Cleaner at cheap and limited time discount from link in the description. Kenmore Intuition BU4022 Upright Vacuum Cleaner is best known for cleaning tool above floor and stairs and gives you the best cleaning experience. No need to touch dirty dust cup or bag again. Hands-free operation and self-sealing bags keep your home environment clean. Kenmore Intuition BU4022 Upright Vacuum Cleaner is lightweight in design, perfect for above-floor cleaning or carrying up and down stairs. Vacuum traps 99.97% of dust and particles inside your vacuum, keeping them out of the air you breathe. Double wall design keeps air owing to maintain powerful suction as the bag fills. Wand detaches for an extended reach and floor-to-ceiling clean. Bag fill indicator lets you know when the bag is ready to be replaced. Pet Handi-Mate is a quick and effective tool for pet hair pickup and stairs cleaning. Detachable handle is perfect for cleaning furniture, car interiors and tight spaces. A bare floor button shuts off the rotating agitator while maintaining airflow and full suction on hard surfaces for a total clean. Lift up enables versatile handheld freedom to clean above floors and stairs. Simply press a button to lift away from the floor nozzle to clean all of your hard-to-reach areas. No-touch bag technology eliminates the annoyingly dirty process of emptying and cleaning a full dust cup with a single button press to get rid of your dirt and debris. No need to touch dirty dust cups or bags again. Hands-free operation and self-sealing bags keep your home environment clean, no touch and no messy cleanup. PowerFlow bag chamber is designed to enable strong suction even as the bag fills. This means that you can still expect excellent cleaning up until your bag needs emptying. Lightweight and maneuverable, weighing only 14 pounds. And with swivel steering, this lightweight and maneuverable vacuum leaves dirt nowhere to hide. Height adjustments for optimal airflow and cleaning efficiency with LED headlights lighting the way to a cleaner home. AllergenSeal Certification lets you know that this vacuum traps 99.97% of dust and particles inside your vacuum, keeping them out of the air you breathe. This high-grade HEPA filtration is combined with a completely sealed system to provide excellent filtration.